course, you know, your girl just did fasted cardio. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. Of course, I'm gonna work out today, blah, 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 same old. I'm going to do a meal prepping video today, courtesy of Kendra. I got you, girl. Right now, I'm gonna do my breakfast. And as you all know, for breakfast, I have my 4 egg whites and a whole egg. So 5 eggs in total, in addition to my spinach that I like to put in there, and my I can't believe it's not butter. Okay, let me just show you guys how I do this thing. I never done a meal prep video before, and my friends know, well, they think I don't know how to cook, but I do. They just don't like the style of my cooking or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I cook, how much I eat of what in a day, and things of that sort. So I always spray my I can't believe it's not butter in the motherfucking pan. And then I crack my eggs. I'm gonna get 4 egg whites. I crack it, split the whites and the yolk or whatever. I'm gonna do that shit 4 motherfucking times and then put a whole motherfucking egg in that bitch. That your bitch learned how to cook her fucking yolk ever. Anyways, this is breakfast, as you all know. Nothing new here. You remember 4 egg whites, 1 whole egg, cayenne pepper, pink salt, regular black ground pepper, fish oil, 2 digestive enzymes, 1 green tea extract, multivitamin, and my secret power. So this is my second meal. 4 ounces of ground turkey with cayenne pepper, pink salt, and also I made string beans, green beans, and then of course I'm gonna have green tea with my meal. So we are on meal number 3. Again, 4 ounces of ground turkey. This time I put a little bit of Walden Farms barbecue sauce in it to make it taste better. I'm just gonna mix it in there, and then I'm gonna get my string beans, green beans, whatever you want to call it, and eat it with this, and that makes meal number 3. I'm taking my vitamins for my 3rd meal, fish oil, green tea. First, 3rd, and last meal always gets a fish oil, but every meal gets a green tea. Got some beans, ground turkey, a 3rd cup of rice, and I have to take, of course, my green tea in it. And this time I did not put whatever it's called, what is it called, Walden Farms in it. I'm just eating it straight. So yep. Ooh, who's she about to find in here? So I'm home about to have dinner, and dinner is 1 scoop of my protein shake in water and 1 tablespoon of my almond butter. And I'm gonna have my green tea, fish oil, and my primrose oil. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys got some ideas for meal prepping too. Thanks for watching. Bye.